name is WeConnect, and our product venture name is Hostel. As our team members are Rupesh, Madhav, Mayuri, Dimple, and Sneha. And the first about the problem statement. Uh,
You can change
Rupesh,
the
please
slide,
can.
Mayuri.
Rupesh, make it full screen and follow to what Mayuri is presenting.
Okay, sir.
Sir, actually, our problem statement is that as we gone through the current problems which the students are really facing, is that most of the students face the problem when they search for the hostels. Mostly, these problems happens with the freshers who are fresher for the new
Mayuri,
city.
just a second. Mayuri, just a second. Could you please take the slide of problem statement? Because you are still
Okay.
sticking to the first slide only.
So actually
Sir,
Sneha
I'm
is
Make it full
yes,
screen. Who is handling the
I'm sir.
presentation?
Sneha.
Sneha, make it full screen.
So the problem statement is that as you can all see that the students are facing the problems while identifying their hostels. So when we got the
Sneha,
survey,
go to slideshow. Just go to slideshow.
sir, the slide
Click
is
on. No, it's not in a full screen. Go to slideshow. Click on the slideshow menu.
sir, actually it is handled by the Rupesh, so I can
Uh, I'm whoever is handling, please go to slideshow and make it in a presentation mode. Rupesh.
Yes, sir. Now it is full screen.
Okay, no
Not a-
problem. Please go ahead.
yes,
Mayuri,
sir.
you can continue.
Sir, I'm Sneha as I'm presenting.
Okay.
Okay, Sneha, you can go ahead
Yes, sir.
because he is not able to do it.
Okay, sir. So we gone through the survey that almost 80% of the students are facing the same problem. We had our team members have taken the interview. So we found that many of students are really facing. So we find the solution about this problem. Our solution is that we are going to develop a mobile come desktop application which will be really helpful to the every student. So the solutions are Rupesh, next slide, please. Solutions will be like the students can easily find out the hostels by sitting at their home. Even if they are going to take admission in other city that other than they are living, they can watch across use by using our site our application at their home. It will be helpful to the students by to compare all the hostels and the facilities and the agreements. So we are going to share the images and the facilities, such things we are going to share, sir.
All right. Sneha, directly go to value proposition slide.
Okay, sir. Rupesh.
Yes, yes. Is it visible, sir, now? Value proposition canvas. Hello.
No.
Yes, it is
Rupesh, if you
visible.
have connectivity problem, you can give the remote to somebody else. Yeah, it is visible now. Please start.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are. Go ahead.
Okay. Now we will value proposition canvas. We know that it is divided into two halves. First is customer segment on left side and the value proposition on left side. Here we should start with the customer segment side. This helps identify the problem with the job to be done, gains and pains from the customer point of view. In customer job, these are the things that customer has to done. they have to done the basic authentication, location searching, selecting preferable hostel. For that, there are various pains faced by the customer. In our case, the customers are the freshers, that is students. First pain is that easily cannot find suitable hostel for tenants. Unnecessarily yearly agreement. That somehow they find the hostel, they have to pay the yearly agreement between them. Between that, they can't leave that hostel. And third is not getting quality as per the value. And through this, the case that the outcome that benefits the customer, they wanted to have something which can done this benefits, such as the time saver, money saver. And the next part is that we move to the value proposition side of the canvas and list down the products and services based on the customer requirement. Here, the product and service to handle the customer job, it's the only one service is that it create a network connection between the landlord and tenants, and mainly as a college student, to communicate with them from any location. Then the as per the customer pains, the pain relievers of our product will be: landlord can save their time to find new tenants, students' time and money will be saved. Landlord can showcase their property on over the platform, which can be helpful for the student to see any place from their any location. And the grand creator will be entrepreneur will get the accurate, relevant context to the system, and through social media marketing will be minimized as over the platform will act as an intermediate for the advertisement. The next will be business. Next slide. Okay, next slide. Rupesh?
Yes, sir, I have changed it. Hello?
Okay. Now business model. Business model is useful, which provides a complete model for business, which can be used for testing and search in the lean startup. Through our lean canvas, we identify and from interview we identify the top 3 problems: that easily cannot find suitable hostel for students, unnecessary yearly agreement, and not getting quality as per the value. For that problem, we through our product we have the solution that the landlord can save their time to find tenants, and landlord can showcase their property on our platform, and tenants time and money will be saved. For that, the key activities we need to that the only managing landlord and tenants. The unique value proposition as compared to other various apps. The first is simple and efficient way for finding rooms and hostels, and entrepreneur gets clear and proper relevant content. And unfair advantage is that there are already all 5 to 6 products are there, but they give the all like rooms or accommodation for the all family like also. But we are only focusing on the hostel can be rented and no unnecessary agreement. For that purpose, channels are the social media for advertisement, and web application from desktop and smartphone, which can be useful for the students to get the location. And customer segment is we are not developing any hostels or that. We just creating connection between tenants and the landlord, that is business to business. Our main cost structure and revenue stream. The cost structure is this: at the starting phase, the total 60,000 year approx cost will be required out of the 10 years for the marketing purpose, in which we will convert in which all the advertisement cost will be there. And for the website domain, we are using GoDaddy.com. There is 1149 rupees per website server, and the 44,000 for the database, that is the MongoDB database. And revenue stream for the initial starting the 2% day, we will get the 400 rupees, and through monthly we can get the 12,000 rupees, and yearly 1,000, 44,000. The next part will be explained by the Sneha.
Yes, sir. As we know, whenever we are going to start a new business, we have to think about our competitors. So this is about the competition analysis. So in this phase, we have to think about the our competitors. As we have gone through the many of the mobile applications which are providing such a facility, but we are gone through these apps when we have to develop such a business. So we never heard about such any applications that we can use to search the hostels. So for these to compete such a applications or such a business, we are going to start a new business by using this concept. So the app and the which we are going to develop the website should be advertised by to everyone, and it should be user friendly, so it can be become unique among the available. That's also the next part will be explained by Dimple.
Somebody please change the slides.
Rupesh, slide change कर. Previous, yes.
Just for 1 second, just show the competition analysis side. Yes, this is all about the competition analysis. So these are some the applications such as the hostel web world hostels. So these are the applications which we are used. So I had not found any uniqueness and the user friendliness. So we are going to develop such an application and website. So it will be useful to everyone. That's it. Next slide.
As Neha told, in survey took by us, 80% students face problem while searching hostels. Somewhere cost is more, which is not affordable for everyone. Somewhere facilities are not that much good. So we are developing an website application for fresher students who are searching for good hostel. Hostelite is a web application which will provide hostel to the freshers who are staying far away from the college, who didn't know about anything for that city. But the user can able to see the hostel reviews, real pictures of hostels, facilities provided by hostels. They can see in our online application. So we learn from this project that hello. So we learn how
We
to
can
fix
hear you,
problems.
Dimple. Please go ahead.
Okay. So we'll learn how to fix problems faced by customers and how to build a business, how to overcome the problems of customer and how to make satisfied to the customer. Next slide, please, Rupesh. So this is a prototype of our website and application. So first, user have to sign up or sign in. Then user have to select the location and select the gender for whom they are searching hostel. Then the list of hostels will be displayed on the screen and they can look the reviews, pictures and the address of that hostel. And who uses this application and this hostel can rate the hostel.
Okay, thank you, Dimple. So my part is go to market. So, sir, are you able to hear me? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, so for the channel to be used is social media for advertisement, uh, like Instagram, Facebook, all this media to be used for the promotion. then web application for desktop and smartphone. Our product costing is 60,000. That has already been discussed by Madhav, how it is 60,000. Then product pricing is 200 per unit. That means 200 rupees per head. If it is one room is being sold, then we will be getting 200 rupees on that way. So here is a sales slide. So in funding sources, so far we have not collected any income. So that's why it is personal expenses. Then funding amount is 60,000. Here it comes 10,000 rupees for marketing and advertising, and 2,400 rupees is for light bill, electricity charges, and 1149 is for website server, plus 44,100 is for database. Next is number of units sold. It is 2 units per day. Then revenue comes 4,400 per day. That is 2 units being sold. Then it will be 400 per day, and rupees 12,000 per month. So profit is 12,000 per month, and our break-even period is 5 months. Break-even period is when all the funding will be recover at that exact point. So it will be 5 months, and payback period is 6 months. That means when we are going to going to get a benefit from our venture. So it is 6 months. So conclusion and next step is, can this be a real venture? Yes, right from the beginning we have chosen the finding of flow was the very beneficial for us to finding the problem. So we have chosen the right problem. Taking the interview of a lot of person in our campus, we thought that it is a very crucial problem to be faced. So it is really a real venture. Next is, did you make money? So far, no, because we have not published our venture. We have not started yet. We have not made any, but in future we will definitely get money. Next, do you plan to take this TV forward, and how? Yes, we are going to take this venture forward, making it published everywhere on the social media, in the various colleges and campus. So yeah, likewise, we are going to publish our website and our venture in the various places. So yeah, that's it from my side, sir.
So a quick question from my side: why you only want to target the hostel, like maybe the students who are just migrating from another city?
No, sir. Whoever is migrating from another city, everyone is going to be our target. I mean,
so you want to be the next no broker?
No, sir. Not in that way, because we are going to make a profit, making a profit. So,
No.
if we,
So my point is, okay, no broker addresses more segments than you are addressing, right? Maybe they are addressing also the owner and tenants and everyone, right?
yes,
So
sir.
in India, if you have seen, there is a lot of broker market which is there. So a broker usually earns one rent if he connects the right person, right? And if he connects the person who want to sell a building, like a flat or something, then he again earns 1% of that, right? So that is a huge margin, right? Because that deal doesn't happen every day in, day out. So when no broker also came in the market, they also wanted to address this problem because it is very unstructured, unorganized. It is very vague structure. So this is good that you are trying to organize it, but when you have to learn from no broker or some other players' mistakes, why they are not successful, because no broker is still yet not like profitable, and they are still earning from the maybe advertisements, the rental agreements, or maybe the connects that they are helping in for the packers and movers, right? So when you are just targeting the hostelites, there is a very niche segment you are targeting, and there are lots and lots of competitors associated in the same segment. So be aware of that also.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Rupati, you can
Hello?
leave now.
Okay, sir. No issue. Thank you, sir.
Yes.